In front of me I have forever iGO JW-100 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm on this device. To set up the alarm on this device, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Forever Go Fit application. Once the devices are paired, tap on the Forever Go Fit icon to open the app, and you should see the dashboard here. Now, let's tap on this icon in the top left corner to open the menu. And here we have the device option, and it should say JW-100. That means that our watch is connected to our phone. And as you can see, now it is. For sometimes it doesn't want to sync with the phone. Tap on this device to open the device page, the settings page for our watch. And here, as you can see, we have alarm settings or setting. Tap on it, and here we can set up the alarm clock. To do it, tap on the plus button, and here we can set the hour by swiping up and down on the screen. For example, let's set it to 6, then minutes, for example 45, and below we have days on which the alarm is gonna be active. You can check them or uncheck them by tapping on them. So I'm gonna select, for example, from Monday to Friday, like that, and then add to add our alarm. As you can see, here we have our alarm, the days on which it's gonna be active, and also we have this switch right here. Oh my bad, the switch. You can enable or disable the alarm by tapping this switch. You can also tap on the alarm to edit it, or you can delete the alarm by tapping on delete, and then tap yes to confirm. And once you're done setting up the alarm, you can simply go back, and of course your alarm will ring on the hour you set it up. And that's how you set up the alarm on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.